So let me shift to where you have your, let's go to your this thing. Let's go to your paper, your assignment. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
This is your document. So the first one, we can see that the first one that you did it. Let me see. That one is right. It's very, very right. I want to pick the two to mark it. Okay. So this one, 0 is greater than or equal to 6 minus 20. Then by the time you transfer, we have done beautiful nonsense here. It's not right. Where are these things there? Oh God. So the Jews are here. Jews are here. Can't find the tools there. Okay, you know what we'll do? I'll just be checking it. This one is wrong. It's not correct. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what I want should be, let me quickly do it so that you can be happy. That is not correct. So I will now go to where I will mark it. We're on the board now. So we have number 1, yeah. Number 1, what's wrong? This thing is not connected. What's happening? So number 1 says that 0 is greater than or equals to 6x minus 20. When you see things like this, the best thing for you is to change their position. Once you change the position, the sign will also change. I will solve it in 2 ways. The first one is to say that 6x minus 20 is less than or equals to 0. And that means 6x is less than or equals to 20. X is less than or equals to 20 over 6. So x is less than or equals to, by the time you cut this, you have 3. You cut this with 2, you have 10. So you have 3 whole number 1 over 3. Or let's use the second method. We have 0 is greater than or equals to 6x minus 20. Take this 6x to the other side. You have minus 6x is greater than or equals to 20. Then from there, or a is equal to or greater than minus 20. So x now, by the time you take minus to divide, definitely the sign will change immediately. So minus 20 over minus 6. So in essence, what we are having is still 10 over 3, and that's 3 over 1 over 3. You can see that we get the same answer. Are you there?
Yes.
So that is why you miss it. Let's go back to where you have your paper again. Are you there?
Yes.
So now the next one is here. Next one is here. That one is saying that minus 6 is less than or equal to what? 2x. So you change it and you get the answer. That's correct. That is very, very correct. That's correct on that part. Very, very correct. Now, the next one is 4x. Maybe I can even paste this thing on. Maybe I can paste it on the notebook itself. If that is possible, it will be easier to mark. Let me see if I can do that. I can easily do that. We just go there sharp, sharp, without wasting time. I'm trying to do something underground so that I can easily pick this something and put it there. Sorry for that. Sorry, I was trying to transfer something from my phone to that place so that we can easily view what we are doing. Which phone is that? One phone beep just now.
My mom's phone.
Okay.
That's not what I'm using.
Okay, no problem. Hmm. Just wait, oh, I'm already setting the something. I'm almost through. I've taken the first page. Go to the second page. Second page taken now. Then the third page. I think it's just 3 pages. Yes. Now we can go back to our class. Okay, now, where's that? I think it's here. Can you see that?
Yes.
You can see your work, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So now we can do justice to the question. So here, I think we have used, look at the first one. That one is done. Now have the second one. The second one says that minus 6x is less than or equals to 2x. So the whole of this, once you change it to the other side. What is it?
We've done the second one too.
Okay, that it is right, Abby.
Yes.
Okay, the second one is right. This one is wrong. Let me get my pen, my red pen. Let me get my red pen. Okay, this is wrong. This is right. Very, very correct. So I think they ask you to calculate what is it you get. Which number are you getting?
The first three integers. First three positive integers.
The first positive three integers, Abi.
Yes.
So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now here we have 4x minus 4 times x, 4x times 4 times 7 is 28. You have missed this already. So there's no way you get it. So it should be 4x minus 28 is greater than or equals to 16. Then 4x greater than or equals to 16 plus 28. 4x is greater than or equals to what? 44. So x is greater than or equals to 44 over 4. X is greater than or equals to 11. So our answer, I don't know how you got the answer with wrong solution. Even if you want to get it right, your answer is correct here, but I know you have manipulated a lot of things. So this is wrong. So how come you get the answer? How come you get the answer? And this is correct. Be careful. So the answer, if you are to use your answer, you start from 10. True or false? True or false? So I won't give you. I won't give you that one. I won't give you that one because you didn't do the right thing. So now let's go to the next one. Next one says that 5 is greater than 3 into brackets 2x minus 8. That is, if you change the position, your workings there is totally wrong. Totally wrong. What you should have done is either you change it to that side that you are having that, or you change this 6x, take to the other side as minus 6x, then is greater than or equal to minus 24, then minus 5, which means that minus 6x is greater than or equals to minus 29. This minus here will change the whole thing to negative, to positive, another side less than. That will be minus 29 over minus 6. Minus cancel minus. And you have x is less than 4 whole number 5 over 6. So your answer here should now be 3 and 4. How come you get the answer when something is greater than in this place? So I don't take this with you.
No, I put less than. I change it to. I put less than. That's why.
Where is it? Where is it? Okay, change it here. Be careful. Be careful. You should have cleaned it and rewrite it so that it will be clear enough. Be careful next time. Let's go to the next question, the next solution. We have 4x plus 2 is greater than 7 plus 6x. So by the time we transfer this 6x to this side, it will be minus 4x minus 6x is, what do you write here now again? What do you write here? What is here?
4x plus 2.
What is now here? The place I circle. The inequality sign here that I circle. What's
Oh,
there?
let me see. Less than.
How did this turn to less than?
Sorry. Oh, what have I done?
You have done
I think that is
beautiful.
better than.
You have done beautiful nonsense. Can you imagine? Here now, you don't know what you wrote here. The two of them together. So I won't give you because you are writing beautiful nonsense. What you have should be 4x minus 6x is greater than, it won't change for now, 7 minus 2. So you have minus 2x is greater than 5. The fact that you are taking minus 2 there, we change this sign to 5 over minus 2. So x is less than minus 2 and half. So this one you got it, but this one that we have double inequality sign. Now from here, when you expand, we have 2x minus 2 is less than 6. So 2x transferred to the right side become 2x plus is less than 6 plus 2. Then we have 2x divide both sides. So we have the answer here correct. So here we have the first three number will now be 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. The next one is x minus 10 is less than 4 plus 5x. So x minus 5x is less than, it can't be greater than, it can't be greater than. It's not right. You don't change the sign like that. So only when you use minus to divide, you change it. So we have x is minus 5x is less than 4 plus 10. That's right there. So we have minus 4x is less than 14. X is greater than 14 since I'm using minus to divide. So x is greater than minus 7. So the expected answer here should now be, so that one is wrong there. So the expected answer now will be minus 6 minus 5 then minus 4. These are the expected answer. Now here we have 6y, 6 into bracket y plus 2, that's 6y plus 12 is greater than or equals to 18. 6y is greater than 18 minus 12. 6y is greater than 6. Then y is greater than 1. That's correct. So we have or greater than or equals to, so we have 1, 2, 3 as the answer. Yes, correct, correct, correct. Now the next question, 6x is minus 5 into bracket x minus 2 is greater than or is less than or equal to 4 into 2x minus 1. We open the bracket, we have 6x minus 5x minus plus 10. Okay, minus 5 times minus 2 is plus 10. 4 into bracket, that will give you 2 times 2x, give you 8x times minus 1, minus 4, correct? We now take the like times, that will give us 6x minus 5x minus 8x. That will give us minus 7x. The other side will give us minus 4 minus 10. Minus 14. So we use minus to divide. It will change. You have already changed the sign. When you are not to change the sign, it's only when you use minus to divide. So this is wrong at this point. It's wrong. Don't change at this point. It's when you divide with the minus, that's when it will change. So it's partially correct. So I'll give it half. So x greater than or equals to 2, that's is equal to 2, 3, 4. So in this case now we have 3 minus 5y is greater than 32 plus y. At that point, we make minus 5y stay there. Then We transfer y to the other side to subtract. The sign here will not change yet. So it will change later when you use the minus to divide. So that's when it will change. What you should have here, okay, let me write this one. This one should be 6x minus 5x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 4 minus 10. So here we have minus 5y minus y is greater than 32 minus 3. We have minus 6y is greater than minus 30. So this when this thing will not change to y is less than minus 30 divided by minus the sign of change. You can see that. So we have y is, oh, this is 29. I thought this is 29 there, 29 here, 29. So we now have 4 all over 5/6 as positive answer. Here you got negative. I don't know what you mean by that. So did they say that I should find 3 values there again? So less than, so the answer will now be
there's only one also.
Only one.
Yes.
So the answer is 4. The answer is 4. It's never minus 5. Now let's go to the next one. 2p plus 3 is greater than minus 30 plus 6p. When we change it to that side, the 6p, we subtract 2p, and that will give us, yes. Why are you changing the signs immediately? You don't change sign like that. This is wrong. Oh, you are wrong here, totally. So we have 2p minus 6p is greater than, is still greater than 30 minus 30. So we now have minus 4p here greater than minus 33. This is when the sign will now change. When you divide, oh, it will change immediately. Now, when you divide with minus 33 divided by minus 4. So p is less than 8 over 1/4. So I'll give you half here. So this one, they say we should draw the number line. So let's say it's 8 points. So okay, that's correct. So that's it. We have omitted one. From what I can see here. Did I omit anything? Did I omit? I didn't. So I'll give you a mark. You have 2 marks there. You have 2 marks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Out of how many? Let me check how many. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Here you got it partially. Okay, Tanya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you didn't do well. Consider that. So that's about the assignment. You have not mastered it well. Mastered in the sense that when you are just collecting the like terms, when you are collecting the like terms, you don't change the sign. But when you use minus to divide, that's when you change the sign. Yes, which topic is left now? What's the next topic you are doing in school now?
Cartesian coordinates.
Ordinates. Now we need graph. Oh, I'm afraid we can't do that today. That means we have to do that one physically.
Physical class.
It will be a physical class.
Okay,
So,
okay, someone has to buy graph book, separate graph book for the lesson.
yes, you need to get that. Ordinarily, if I know that it is graph, I will have prepared the tool for that. There's a tool for that one that we ought to use. I will get that tool soon. I'll get it now so that by next class we'll be able to discuss online using that tool. Possibly we meet on Tuesday online. Is that okay? So you can discuss
Okay.
it, graph. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll stop here now. At least we've seen the solution and everything, right?
Yes.
So see you when I see you. Bye
Okay.
for now.
Oh.
So you that you are looking at us here, that you watch this video, if you want your child to join the class is still open. It's still open now. If you want your child to join the class. So all you just need to do is to contact me on the phone number here that I will write here now. Just contact me on this phone number 08022706148. So live here we do the school work. Anything you want to do there, we do it there. And you can easily see that it will be marked directly online without any stress. So any issue with your child on mathematics, you can call us. And we have other services like this, a free jam class on mathematics and physics that is just starting. We have our group there on Telegram. So if you want to join that, just contact me, we'll join that. Then SS1 class, mathematics and physics is also on. That one we have it on Monday and Tuesday, Saturday, and Sunday, also on Friday. So we have that. If you want to get that, you can also contact me. If you want to join us at all, see it there. Then below in the description, you will see all the links to everything I've just said. So if you want to join us, you are free today. Anything you want, be it anything in maths or physics, JAM, GCE, IGCSE, you are in British school, anyone you want. Everything is discussed there. So I remain your one and only coaching master in mathematics and physics, the pioneers mathematics and physics class. My name is Tajuddin Okumono. See you when I see you, and bye for now.